In this problem, I'm asked how many moles of carbon are in 4.1 times 10 to the 24th atoms of carbon. So I'm going from atoms to moles. And to go from atoms to moles, I'm going to be using this number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. And so to set this problem up, as always, I'm going to write what I'm given, which is 4.1 times 10 to the 24th atoms of carbon. And I'm just going to say atoms of C. C is for carbon. Put that over 1. I'm going to multiply by a conversion factor that lets me go from atoms to moles. And that number is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So I need my atoms of carbon to cancel. So atoms of carbon are going to go on the bottom. And the unit that I want, which is moles of carbon, will go on top. And this number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles, or atoms, is the number of atoms in 1 mole. So in 1 mole of carbon, there's 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of carbon. Now to do this problem, I'm going to multiply across the top, and I'm going to multiply across the bottom, and I'm going to divide the two numbers that I get. And so my units here that cancel, atoms of carbon, cancel. And so on top, 4.1 times 10 to the 24th times 1 mole of carbon, I get 4.1 times 10 to the 24th, and moles of carbon is going to be on top. On the bottom, I have 1 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, which I should just get 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So my answer that I get here will be what I get when I divide these two numbers. So 4.1 times 10 to the 24th divided by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. I typed it in my calculator, I get 6.81. And my units was moles of carbon. There we go. That is how you go from atoms to moles.